channel. I hope everyone has had a great week. I have had a great week. I got to celebrate my birthday and Valentine's Day, so that was great. I thought I'd kind of do a sit-down video with you guys and kind of just chillax for a bit. Although I love cleaning videos, I know sometimes it's nice to kind of change it up. So I thought I'd show you guys what's in my makeup bag. Now this bag I will use to travel with, flying and whatever. This literally holds everything that I need. So we're not gonna do this in any specific order. We're just gonna go right into it. And I'm sorry if you guys hear the movie in the background. My daughter is watching it, so I've got to keep her entertained. So the first thing I picked up is the CoverGirl Cooling Setting Mist All Day Wear. Why that took me forever to read, I don't know. But it makes my face super dewy, as you can see. But yeah, it was about 10 bucks at Rite Aid here for me. So that's that. That's item one. Next item is this, I forgot what brand it is. Real Techniques. It's the foundation brush, but I use it to blend out like my contour and my blush and stuff. I've had this brush for over 4 years. As you can tell, it's all tatted. It's getting there. I'm gonna need a replacement soon, but that's item number two. Item number three is a Maybelline Colored Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. And this is the color 105 called Nude Whisperer. I got this for about $7, pretty cheap. The next item I've got is the Master Holographic Face Studio Prismatic Highlighter. I do have this highlighter on currently. I will say, I thought it was gonna be like the other one I've always used, like in my get ready video, the pinkish color one, I forgot what it's called. So it reminds me of a unicorn. I feel like a unicorn. It's more glittery than creamy than I thought it was gonna be. So doing it with the brush, I found that there was glitter all over my face. But if I used like my finger, warmed up my finger and kind of just brushed it on and then dabbed around, it kind of came out good. Next item I have is the e.l.f. I forgot what it's called. I think it's a contouring brush. It's really cool. I like this, but it's really precise for this area, and so far I love it. Another item I have is the EB13. I don't know. I can't say it. But I got this brush in like an Ipsy bag like ages, like years ago, and I've just had it ever since. So I use this to put my highlighter on and to blend out my shadows. Next item I have is a lip gloss. It's the Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Sparkling Rosé. And it's actually quite nice. I love this. It's just perfect. I love this color. And it's really nice. And it's like really cooling and like refreshing when you put it on your lips. So that's nice. Another item I have is my trusty old beauty blender that I need to give a good clean. This is from e.l.f. I think I got this for $3. And it works just as good as the $20 beauty blender that you guys get. Another item I have, it's a new foundation that I have it on right now. I'm liking the color, but I'm currently using Self Tanner. So I'm probably gonna have to go get a shade darker. But this is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk, and it's the vegan dewy finish. It's brand new. I got it, and I think I got it for about $10. So yeah, I'm liking it so far. So far the wear is pretty good. My trusty old travel bobby pin. I got these from the dollar store, so nothing special about them. Another item I have is my e.l.f. foundation. This is probably the color I need to get in the CoverGirl one because as you can tell there's a difference. This is what I was using before, but I stopped using it because I got this and I'm going to try this out, but I'm probably going to go back and get a shade of this one. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I got this for $6. All right, my trusty powder. That's the only powder that I have for my face. It's the Air Spun Loose Face Powder. Everyone knows this, so I don't need to explain it. This is the LA Colors Nude Palette. I personally like it. It's got quite a good range. I mostly stick to either the middle colors or the far right corners. The dark corners, this side I don't really use that much, but I think it's pretty good for $1. I use this to travel with. I'm not gonna carry around a $60 palette or a $50 palette when I can carry this around. And if it gets broken, what is it to me? $1. All right, another item I have is my good old e.l.f. eyebrow palette. It's the eyebrow duo. It's a cream with the powder and it comes like a little brush. You can see I've clearly used this a lot. I haven't used it lately, but I do like to use the powder to set my eyes. I also have this brow pencil. It's the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm currently ran out of that, so there's no more in there, but I use the spoolie, because why not? And then this is currently my favorite right now. This is what I've used on my brows. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in the color 360, and it looks like a micro blade, and it makes like those hair-like strokes. So can you see this? The hair-like strokes that it gives you. I don't know if you could see that or not, but it's pretty cool. Another item I got from the dollar store, I don't mind, like I said, this is my travel bag, so I'm not looking to get expensive stuff, is eyelash curler. Another item I have is this trusty Day and Night nude lipstick from e.l.f. I got this for $5. This is the nighttime color, pretty nice. And this is the daytime color, which I love. Whoa. I wore that yesterday. Another item that I have is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And I got this, I think, for about $7. Looks like that. I love it. It gives me such a nice finish on the eyes. Another items I have are just these little basic brushes. I don't know where they're from. I've had them too long. As you can tell, the print is worn off. Now, another item that I have is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. Now, I have had this for some time, and I've been using this mascara since I was like 12, 13 years old. But now that I am 25, I have come to find myself since Christmas of 2018, I keep finding myself like, I swear I don't have any mascara on right now. Every time I wear this, if I wear it for longer than like 2 hours or 3 hours, my eyes start to get really itchy and I don't know why. So if you guys have any suggestions for like mascara that could give me the same look, if not a better look, and that is hypoallergenic and good for sensitive people, that would be great. Please drop that link down below. Another item that I have is my trusty trio. It's by Rimmel London, and I believe it's by Kate. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's the trio. It's got the highlighter, the contour, and the blush. I've never actually used the highlighter. If anything, I use the highlighter to kind of like help with my eyes. But as you can tell, I use the contouring and the blush quite a bit. The last item in my bag, it is a blush. I have no idea where it's from, but it's called Melee Reef, and it's a gel to powder. I think it's by New Dexit. It looks like that, comes in a little, yeah. But yeah, that's everything that's in my makeup bag. If you guys have any of the same products, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to see how you guys use your products and how you guys learned and came about the products and whatnot. And like I said, if you guys have any idea what I could do for my mascara, that would be really great, because I love to wear mascara, and although it feels really nice to like not have to constantly do that. But yeah, So just drop that link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ISydneyMichelle. And yeah. And anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this would probably be a quick video. I just wanted to kind of sit down with you guys and just chill for a bit because, like I said, cleaning videos after a while get boring, and I don't want to be boring. And this is the stuff that interests me. I love beauty. I love to do things for, you know, the kiddos. I think I'm going to try to do some more stuff. But I have a lot of videos coming up. I've got videos redoing my daughter's room, as we've got this new telly for them. We're going to be transitioning Athena from a toddler bed to a twin size bed with a new mattress, redoing Ariella's bed, and then we're going to be redoing me and Josh's room and getting a new bed frame and dressers, and we're going to be decluttering, doing a whole purge in our room. So that's probably going to be like a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 videos. So please be sure to keep a lookout for those, and I will try to update on my social media. On my Instagram is where you'll find a lot of when and how and where I'm going and doing what with YouTube. So yeah, make sure you follow me on there, and I hope you guys enjoy, and you guys have a great week. Thank you. Bye.